All right, we are headed up to the nature center where we will start our hike, but this is the road that takes us there, and it's absolutely beautiful. And Gina, where are we going again? What mountain?
Pinnacle
Mountain in South Carolina. Okay, Gina and I, hey G,
Hi.
are on the trail to Table Rock, and this is the view. It's absolutely beautiful. That's the trail, but beautiful scenery. A little muddy, but it's looking good. So this is our Veterans Weekend trip. Okay, well, G and I are heading up to Table Rock. What do you think so far, G?
It's pretty fun, a little out of breath, but we got this.
Yeah, we do. All right, so we just came up that hill. It's mostly been uphill, obviously, because we're going up to the top. But it's been a lot of rock climbing, so just a lot of fun. We'll show you the top when we get there. Okay, we're getting ready to go up this part of the hike. Whoa, it's all mountain, or all rock. Sorry about that, G. My backpack got stuck on the stick. But most of the hike has been something along this line. Rock for stairs. And yeah. So I'm going to take you with us on this part of the trail. Let you see what we're climbing. And see what you think. Alright. We made it up that big rocky slope. Gina's finishing strong. Look at that girl. She's fresh. We came across this really cool shed that we ate some pickles at. And it's got a beautiful overview. And here's Gina getting ready to hit the trail again. That's right. Just to Table Rock, and then we're heading over to Pinnacle Mountain. All right, so we are on the trail again. Oh, we got some runners. Hey there. And they're going a little faster than we are, but we have leveled out quite a bit, and it's looking good. There's G in front of me, and going strong. All right, so it's about 64 degrees out, and trail behind me. I think we're pretty much at the top. We just have to get to the marker at Table Rock. We're going to go a little bit further because someone told us that the trail actually extends further than a lot of people think, over this boulder that gives us this beautiful view, and then we're going to head back and walk over to Pinnacle Mountain before we head back down to the car. So we'll keep you in touch. All right, I think we're getting closer to the top of Table Rock. This is just a little different look, and a lot of people on the trail today. But we're trying to walk a little faster on the flat ground so we can take our time going uphill. You know, as Floridians, we have to make the adjustment to the incline. Okay, we are at the summit of Table Rock, and Gina and I made it this far, and we are going to, we're summit, the elevation is at 3124, and we are going to head over to the overlook and a little bit further. And so, come on, let's see what's ahead of us. We're on Red Blazes, and the climb has been pretty rugged. Gina told me that she would rate this as difficult, and it has been really up high. I mean, like, not up high as far, I mean, it's just really been uphill, and just constant climbing with a little bit of a break like we have right now. But it's been fun. We've had a good time being out here together, and I'll see you at the summit, or at the overlook. Okay, we are at Table Rock and sitting on the rock. This is the view. Okay, we are still heading out. Someone gave us some advice to follow the trail past where everybody else was. But Gina, what you think so far?
It's fine, going downhill. More uphill in a little bit. Can't wait.
Yeah, we keep on thinking, all right, we're going downhill here, but that just means we're going to have to turn around and go back up in a little bit. But that's okay, because that's why we're out here. Okay, this is a view that that couple told us about, to continue on the trail a little bit further than that big rock. And look at this view. Okay, we're getting ourselves reloaded, and we're going to head out and head over to Pinnacle Mountain and try that part of the hike out. So we got to backtrack a little bit, but then we hit a new trail. And we're not going to go all the way to the top of Pinnacle Mountain because the view is better on the side hike that someone told us about. So, or the rangers actually. So we're going to do that and get on and start beating the trail down. Miss Gina's getting herself rearranged. She's got layers on layers, so we're getting ourselves comfortable. But just had some trail mix and some turkey sticks and cheese crisp and all sorts of nummy stuff. So yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. We are hiking over to Pinnacle Mountain. Here comes Gina up the trail.
A lot easier on the way down.
This video. Okay, we just turned off of going up towards Pinnacle Mountain to Mills Creek, or Mills Falls, and we're now in the Blue Blaze, and we think we have about a half a mile to 3/4 of a mile before we get to the turning point. We're going to go see an overlook and then head back towards the visitor center, or the nature center. So yeah, we're having a great time. Well, we made it up to Bald Knob, and I'm going to turn this around, let you guys look at the view. So beautiful. And it's yeah, it was quite a climb, but absolutely beautiful. I'm going to let you guys see the view, but I'm going to tell you, the climb was kind of tough. Okay, here's the view as I'm sitting on the edge of the rock, and absolutely beautiful. Gina's down on that little piece down there on the other side of those little trees right there, and yeah, so now we got to book it back so we can get back before dark. Okay, we just came up onto the trailhead where we break away off of Pinnacle Mountain Trail. We just got off of Mill Creek and we're headed down the trail back to the car. So the most of our trail hike for the day has been completed. So it looks like we have 3 more miles to go, and our goal is to make it back before 5 o'clock. And Gina, what time is it? 3:36. So we have an hour and a half to go 3 miles. I think we can do it because most of it is downhill. So it's been a great day. A lot longer than we thought it was going to be, but took some challenges and kept ourselves safe. So it's been fun, and looking forward to these last 3 miles. How about you, Gina?
So looking forward to them.
How are you feeling?
Great.
What are you looking forward to doing as soon as we get off the trail?
Go getting a big beer and a nice juicy steak.
There you go, girl. We are heading back to the car.
Easy peasy.
Okay, we are trying to book it back to the Nature Center to get back by 5:30. We have under 2 miles to go, and that will be 11 miles for today. And it's getting towards the end of the day. It's like 4:30.
Yeah, it's 4:30.
It's 4:30 right now.
We have less than 1.5 miles.
And we have less than 1.5 miles to go to complete our trail hike for the day. So we've had a great time. Some of it's wore us out a little bit, but we feel pretty good right now. And haven't seen anybody on the trail hardly at all on the Pinnacle side. Tons of people on the Table Rock side. So, but good weather. It's been a beautiful day today, and blue skies, sunny. We've stayed pretty comfortable the whole time, and yeah, so we're gonna try to power walk the rest of this to get done in time so they don't send out a search party for us, and call it a day. Okay. Oh, this is our last mile to go. Leap! Okay, we are just about done. We have this cool little water crossing to do. And then less than 1/2 mile to go. And Gina is booking it.